This old house has always taken a keen interest in housing problems for veterans, and affordable housing is a big part of the problem. The government estimates that on any given night there could be as many as 100,000 veterans with no home to sleep in. And that's why this historic school building is a very special place. This is the hardscrabble town of Dracut, Massachusetts. In 1898, this town built a 4-room school for primary grades. It served the school system well for over 80 years, then slowly fell into disrepair as it was used for back offices for the municipality. Then this venerable old building found a savior.
The mission of Coalition for a Better Acre is to advance the lives of low and moderate income individuals through things like housing, affordable housing, workforce development, education, and youth engagement. The town of Dracut decided to RFP the property. An RFP is a request for proposal, so the town put together essentially a packet of information saying what they would like to see done with the building, with the option to sell the property for $1, and CBA was the successful bidder.
That $1 and an idea is now a project to turn this rundown but historic school into 9 housing units for veterans. So this old house will follow this project all the way until those first new residents move in. And today it starts with a progress report. Ben Joyce is our builder in charge. Hey Ben.
Good morning, how you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Good to see you.
Yeah, same here. This is quite a building you got yourself.
It really is, yeah, it really is. We got our hands full with this one.
So what was it like when you first showed up?
It was in pretty bad shape, pretty dilapidated. We started the demo from the inside out. It was 2 layers of siding on the outside we tore off. It's got a pretty cool tile slate roof that we're going to be keeping.
Nice.
So we've taken out the old sashes, did some asbestos abatement and lead abatement. So now that we got all the demo done, we're starting the mechanicals.
So what was the siding, the layers you took off?
So the first layer was clapboard, cedar clapboards, and then shingles on top of that.
Wow, okay.
Yep.
And then inside on all these walls behind us?
It was a mess, it was a mess. It's horse and lath, and it's a mess. Layers and layers of years of going over.
So how long did the demo take you guys?
About 2 months.
You guys are gonna have to save some stuff?
We are, yeah. So we're saving some of the transom doors and a lot of the original wainscoting that was there. We're saving the floors here. Those will all be redone.
Yeah, pretty nice looking too.
Yeah, it should finish up nice.
It's an unusual building in the sense that you've got these tremendously high ceilings, big wide staircases. I mean, it's a real gem.
We do, yeah, it really is. It's definitely worth sinking the money into.
Looking at the scale of everything, it's not hard to imagine 100 kids running through here back in the day.
This is one of the transom doors we're going to be saving too for another piece of the project.
Very nice. And then the staircase, awesome.
Yeah, a lot of history here for sure.
Good scale.
I can only imagine how many kids have run up here.
Running away from a teacher.
Yeah.
Second floor, a lot like the first. How many units up here?
3 units up here.
Okay. So 3 on the second floor. How many on the first?
4 and 2 down in the lower level.
This is going to be one of the units.
Yeah, so this is a typical 1-bedroom unit.
Wow. Look at this. So you get the high ceilings for the individual units, right?
Yeah, so that's one of the benefits of having the high ceilings is we can keep the mechanicals in the unit above the kitchen and bathroom and not really lose any space.
So living space here, I presume?
Living space here, yeah.
Kitchen?
Yeah.
So it drops down a little bit, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with that, right?
No, still pretty high in here.
End of the unit right here. This is where number 1 starts.
Yep.
And as you wrap around, I see the mechanicals. So this is bathroom in here.
Yes, sir.
Good size, a lot of space. Not too bad. And then out back here?
This is the bedroom.
Okay.
Bedroom with closet.
Oh yeah. Wow, these ceilings are so high.
Yeah, I don't get this often.
No, and the windows too, right?
Yeah,
so this
they're
is
huge.
Gonna be all
they're
glass
huge.
in here?
Yeah, they're huge. Yep. Be some good natural light in here.
What do you think's going on with the looks like plaster and lath on
It
the
is.
outbound side?
It is, yeah. So the thought was when we were here originally to start the demo, there were chalkboards on the outside walls.
Like up to here?
Up to there,
Oh,
yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, for the classrooms. And we're thinking maybe that this stopped the condensation on the chalkboards, you know, the cool outside and warm inside or vice versa.
And where are those chalkboards now?
They're all on-site storage. So we took an inventory, put everything in the on-site trailer, and kind of figuring out the best use for them now in the unit.
That's very cool.
Yeah. Hey, I got one other cool thing to show you if you got a minute.
I do.
All right, let's go.
All the time in the world for this place.
All right,
Wow.
so now we're up in the attic, Kevin. So up here we have storage units for each one of the tenants.
Oh, that's clever.
But
right? So
the
they each
reason
get a
I
little
brought
bit-
you up here I think is pretty cool is the truss system.
Yeah, check
It's
this
four
out.
huge truss system with turnbuckles holding everything together.
Look at that, huh? The old
Yeah.
joinery too, and it goes all the way through here.
Yeah. And all the hip valleys and rafters all tighter than we can cut them now.
Yeah. And was that roof work going on or what?
Yeah, so there was a chimney here, it was an enormous chimney, and we weren't going to have any use for it, so we took it all down as kind of a space-saving measure for the units below. But to keep the historic value of it, we reframed everything now, and there'll be thin brick up on top to replicate the existing chimney.
So from the outside looks original.
Exactly, yep. All right, Kev, over in the front of the building here, the front gable, there's a oculus window that we'll be replacing.
Oh yeah, that is awesome. And what's with this?
So this set of stairs goes up to where the kids would put the flag up in the morning.
No. Really?
Really.
All right, let's see what we got. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You can see the original slate roof. You got some snow dogs. Oh yeah, there's the framing for the old chimney. Oh, and over here, that's probably the spot where the flag was. I guess if you didn't do your homework, you got flag duty. That's remarkable. Well, Ben, we're gonna stick around. We're gonna follow this renovation, and we're gonna get all the way until those veterans move in. So we'll be back, but I appreciate the tour.
I look forward to it, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.